Oh yes, good morning. There is an accident on Beltline and Airport Freeway. There is an accident on Beltline and Airport Freeway. That's in DFW area. This involves two small sedan cars, and as you can see, for now there are no casualties, and the police are arriving right now just to give to secure the area so that there will not be any more accident, and as well to inform other approaching cars from various directions. This is in Airport Freeway and the Beltline in DFW area. For today, stay safe on our roads. They look clear. And reporting from DFW area, I'm Jeremiah Ontiri. Stay safe.